So, hello Anshika,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fantastic. And what
And
about?
I'm also good. I'm very excited right now because yesterday I just saw that my students are speaking continuously in English. It's wonderful feeling for a teacher if somebody you taught something and they are just performing. So that's a wonderful feeling for a teacher, coach, and also for the mentor. And yesterday I was really very excited that how will you do? But you all did well, and I was feeling happy because when you all were talking to the foreigners, I was beside of you. I was just noticing the thing that public is just continuously watching to you. They all were surprised to see that children are speaking in front of the foreigners, and also so many students spoke in front of the guide of Indian guide. Okay, so Anshika, tell me about yesterday.
So, sir, yesterday I went there with my group and I was just talking to a guide because I was also trying to talk with a girl, but she was not able to talk with me because but she can understand me, but she can't speak English. But when we started to talk with a guide, and he was talking with us so politely because he was from Rajasthan and he was understanding and he was also admiring us that we are talking in English like we are in a school, just in a school, and we can talk that well. And he was like, he can't even speak that well as us, and he was saying that, oh my God, you are speaking so well. Means out of the house you are coming and speaking like that. That's a great thing, and. And if I talk about the thing that I noticed that the foreigner are just giving us the compliment that we are even if we are not speaking that well, but they are just saying that, oh, you are doing great. So by that we can gain confidence, and of course we will not hesitate in front of anyone. So that's it.
What did you learn yesterday?
Yesterday, actually, I learned one thing that when mentioned a thing that when we were talking, there were so many crowds. But if I said I ignored the crowd, I even ignored everyone, even in just my friend, I ignored everyone. But because my whole focus was on the people, those with whom I'm just speaking, and I was speaking so excited. That's why I did that well. That's all.
So what did you learn yesterday?
Arey, that was the thing that I can ignore everyone literally in that crowd with everyone just shouting and doing that thing, but I was able to ignore them. If I can't listen anything apart from that person with whom I'm just talking. That's the thing I noticed in myself. Before that, that never happened to me. That's all.